Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you that becoming rich isn't about cutting out lattes or obsessing over every penny, but about focusing on the big wins in your financial life? That's exactly what Ramit Sethi teaches in his book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich. It's not just a guide to personal finance. It's a life-changing blueprint for building wealth guilt-free and living your best life. In this video, we're diving deep into Ramit's 6-week program. From automating your finances to investing smarter, I'll share the most powerful lessons, real-life examples, and actionable tips so you can start creating your rich life today. So, grab your notebook and let's unlock the secrets to guilt-free financial success. Ramit kicks off the book with a powerful question. What does being rich mean to you? For some, it's traveling the world. For others, it's retiring early, buying a dream home, or simply living without financial stress. This is where most of us get it wrong. We think being rich is about hoarding money or making sacrifices. But Ramit flips this idea on its head. He introduces the concept of the rich life, a deeply personal vision of what wealth looks like for you. It's not about following someone else's rules, but creating a life where you spend extravagantly on the things you love and ruthlessly cut costs on the things you don't. For example, one of Ramit's readers saved aggressively on dining out, but spent lavishly on world travel, because that's what mattered most to them. What would your rich life look like? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's talk about one of the book's most game-changing lessons, automating your finances. Ramit's philosophy is simple. Don't rely on willpower to save or invest. Instead, set up systems that do the work for you. Here's how it works. 1. Split your paycheck into key buckets: spending, saving, and investing automatically. For instance, you could allocate 50% for essentials, 20% for savings, 10% for investments, and 20% for guilt-free spending. 2. Use tools like automatic bill payments and savings transfers to ensure your money is working for you without constant oversight. 3. Create a conscious spending plan, a system that allows you to enjoy your money guilt-free as long as it aligns with your priorities. Imagine waking up and knowing your bills are paid, your savings are growing, and you've still got money to spend on that fancy dinner or weekend getaway. That's the power of automation. For many of us, debt feels like a heavy weight dragging us down. But Ramit offers a practical, shame-free approach to getting rid of it. Instead of blaming yourself, he encourages you to create a clear debt payoff plan. 1. List all your debts from smallest to largest. 2. Pay the minimum on all but the smallest debt. Then throw every extra dollar at that one until it's gone. 3. Celebrate each small win and keep going. And here's the kicker. Ramit emphasizes that paying off debt doesn't mean putting your life on hold. You can still save, invest, and enjoy yourself while tackling your financial goals. This balance is key to staying motivated. Now, let's talk about investing, the ultimate tool for building wealth. Many people avoid it because it feels complicated or risky, but Ramit simplifies it with a few key principles. Start early, even if you can only invest a small amount. Focus on low-cost index funds, like those offered by Vanguard or Fidelity. Automate your contributions to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Stay consistent, no matter what the market does. Ramit's approach is all about keeping it simple and consistent. He even suggests a sample portfolio in the book that's easy to replicate. Here's where Ramit's advice really stands out. He's not about pinching pennies or skipping lattes. Instead, he focuses on big wins, decisions that can save you thousands over your lifetime. For example, negotiating your salary. Even a $5,000 raise early in your career can compound to hundreds of thousands over time. Refinancing loans. A better interest rate can save you tens of thousands. Choosing the right credit card. Leveraging rewards programs can help you travel for free. These big wins move the needle far more than obsessing over small expenses, and they free you up to enjoy life without guilt. Finally, Ramit challenges us to stop waiting for when to enjoy our money. Your rich life isn't some distant goal. It's something you can start living today. Whether it's taking that dream vacation, helping your family, or investing in personal growth, Your money should be a tool to create joy and fulfillment now, not just later. So, what's the next step? Start small. Define your rich life. Automate one aspect of your finances. Pick one debt to tackle. Or, if you're ready, open that first investment account. The key is to take action. As Ramit says, a rich life is about the small things and the big things. It's about freedom. If you're ready to create your own rich life, don't wait. Start today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more book reviews and life-changing lessons. And check out the description for links to the book and additional resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.